Yes, friends, now we have come to a very important topic, giving line height, that's setting vertical spacing between lines. So, how do we do that? With Tailwind CSS, we can use a couple of simple methods. For example, after setting our text like text SM or text MD or text to X large, we can add slash to directly specify the line height, or we can use the leading classes as you see here. So let me show you both approaches. Let's say I have multiple lines. So I create one more line. I added one more line. So as you see, I have two lines. For example, if I come here, if I write leading 5, so what gives us? It gives line height 20 pixels as you see. So I save it, I refresh, you see it reduced the line height. So I give leading 7 for example. So I refresh, you see it increased the line height. So I can use text X large, font size, text to X large like that. After I can give 7. It controls line height 2. I save it, you see, I inspect the element, it gives text to X large and then line height 7, leading 7. We can use both approaches. See you in the next lesson.